Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt. This ensures Bitlocker commands run with required privileges. Once done, confirm the drive letter you will target, C, is common for system volumes, and make sure your recovery key is available. Now, execute Manage BDE status C to verify protection state and identify conversion percentage. You do this to confirm Bitlocker is active and to avoid accidental data loss. This check prevents surprises later when you issue decryption commands. With verification complete, run Manage BDE off X. Replace X with the actual drive letter to start turning off Bitlocker. You will see the decryption start, then check progress using Manage BDE status X every few minutes so you know % complete. Make sure the PC stays on and connected to power because interruption can delay or complicate decryption. If you need to pause, do not forcibly power off. Instead, confirm the system is stable and let decryption finish naturally. When decryption reaches 0%, run Manage BDE status X. One more time to confirm Bitlocker is off. You want to see % encrypted, 0%. If decryption stalls or an error appears, try the command again and examine Event Viewer for related errors, because logs often show why it failed. Make sure you can boot and access files normally before deleting any backups. If problems persist, use the recovery key to unlock the drive and then repeat the off command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.